Hello guys, welcome back to the channel today. We are going to cook easy meals today, which is a spaghetti bolognese. Anyone can do it. It's literally the easiest recipe ever. I'm going to take you into the kitchen right now and we're going to cook it. So please like, subscribe and share guys. Let's get into it guys. Hello guys, these are the ingredients that we are working with today. So we've got some mushrooms, we've got an onion, some salt, bolognese sauce, some mince, mixed herbs, garlic granules, and pasta. It's as simple as that, guys. These are easy to cook meals in about 10-15 minutes. It's easy to do at your own home for a family of 4 or 6, depending on how many there is in your family. So please subscribe, guys, and please like, and please share. Leave a comment, and we'll subscribe back to you. So let's get into this. So yeah, we've just prepared everything, ready to go into the frying pan and ready to cook our bolognese. Let's go. So firstly we will throw in our mushrooms and onions like that. Let them fry off and simmer. Just give them a little stir around like this. Then we will add some little bit of sugar, salt and mixed herbs. So we've added them all in like this, and then you give it a stir again like this. Make sure all of it's coated into all the mushrooms and the onions. Ready for the next step. So we will add the mince like this. Just add a few more herbs just onto the top there, like that, and a little bit more salt, like that. Now we're going to give it a stir, like this. Make sure all the mince is brown. Don't forget guys, if you made it this far, please subscribe, please like, please share, and like I said, leave a comment. Doesn't hurt, it's all free to use, and it helps our channel out so much. So let's quickly stir all this in and we'll come back to you in a minute. So at this point guys, it should look like something like this, where it's nearly all the red is gone, pretty much, if the steam don't get in the way. So the next step is to add some of our bolognese sauce. Like I say guys, if you're not got much money and if you want to make a family meal, just head off to Aldi's and just go and get some cheap products like this: mushrooms, onions, bolognese sauce, cheap pasta. It's just easy to cook meals in 10-15 minutes. So guys, that's the sauce added. I'm going to leave that to simmer for a little while. So that is done now guys. We will now move on to the next step of the pasta. So I have already prepared myself and stuck it into the saucepan like this, and the kettle is now boiled, and now I'm going to tip the water into the pasta. I think we leave it about 8-10 minutes and then the pasta should be nice and soft, and then I can drain the water and then follow the next steps.
Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Wing Bian Orong from Philippines. Please support DaddyTravels, my beloved friend, content creator in United Kingdom. Guys, don't forget guys, subscribe to his channel and follow to his Facebook page, DaddyTravels. And of course, please don't forget Mr. Wing Bian here in the Philippines.
I have boiled the kettle and stuck it in the saucepan to boil the pasta for 8 to 10 minutes until it goes soft. So we're going to add a bit of salt here, just to the water. I've always done this myself. It's up to you, it's optional. So yeah, we'll let that boil for a little while, and then we will come back to it. But don't forget to like and subscribe and share, guys. And let's get this out to everyone. And then we can help people who are not so fortunate like myself. So let's keep going, guys. And let's go and get the grated cheese. So here's the cheese grater that I'm going to use. And then we're going to just grate enough cheese just so we can put some in the pasta and on top of the bolognese, which that's an optional thing as well, but that is quite traditional here as well in the UK. Here we go. Let's grate the cheese. So once the cheese is grated, so take the lid off. There you go. There's nice grated cheese right there. So I do like to put it in my pasta, but obviously it's not traditional in the Italian, but I'll put some herbs and butter and cheese in my pasta. So yeah, this should be done now. Pretty much a couple of minutes left, I suppose. And then we will drain it and then stick the ingredients into the pasta like I just explained from just beforehand. We give that a little stir there. Well, yeah, I think that is pretty much done now. So let's go over and drain it. So once it's drained, it will look like this. So we add a knob of butter in there, give it a good old mix around until it's all melted. Just like so. Give it a stir, and then you should be ready once that butter's all gone to add your salt and your herbs if you wish. But this is what I will be doing today. So the steam's getting in the way, but you can see that it is all melted. So let's add the cheese, just like this. Depends how much cheese you want to put in, but I just layer all over the top and then mix it in. Sometimes I just make cheese sauce. That should look like that, guys. So that is what it is so far. There's the herbs going in, just like that, and a little bit of salt. So we will present it on the plate just like this. I think that looks delicious myself, and that's not dry pasta. There's nothing worse. And then we'll put the bolognese on top of the pasta. So you got your mushrooms, your onions, your bolognese sauce, your mince, and all the not so dry pasta. And so we're going to add a bit of cheese on the top here. Like I said, this is optional, but this is delicious doing this. Cheesy bolognese is nothing better. Some people might argue, but to me, oh my god. So we will add the garlic bread. Look at this, guys. This is the final presentation. Maybe I overdone the little garlic bread slightly, but do you know what? That actually tasted great. So there's no complaints there. But this is my 10 to 15 minute bolognese that I make for me and my daughter on a budget. So please like, please subscribe, and please share, guys. This might help some people out there. So I shop in Aldi sometimes, and that's probably the best place to go for budget ingredients. So yeah, guys, thank you for coming today, and this is the final presentation that I am giving to you. So I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, guys.